Hello, my name is Lionel Messi. I was born in 1987 in Rosario, Argentina. I play as a forward in football. I joined local football clubs. In 2000, I joined Barcelona. La Masia was my home. I trained very hard. I won many trophies. 8 Ballon d'Or awards. FIFA Best Player too. I learned discipline daily. Captain of Argentina team. Won World Cup 2022. I love my country. I inspire young players. Football taught life lessons. Discipline, courage, and effort. I never stopped trying. I followed my dreams. Now I share story. Hope you enjoy learning. Life shows passion and work. Welcome to my journey. I was very young. Family gave love always. My parents worked hard. We shared many moments. 2 brothers played with me. We ran in the streets, laughed during sunny days. Life felt full of joy. Parents taught right values: respect, honesty, and kindness. I listened and learned. Lessons stayed in heart. Sometimes I felt weak. Problems came at home. Encouragement gave me strength. I learned to hope. Family always believed in me. They guided small steps. I tried to grow. Support made challenges easier. Friends joined our games. We shared happiness daily. Laughter filled every room. I felt very lucky. I practiced football often. Parents encouraged my passion. They watched every match. I felt motivated daily. Now I remember clearly. Family built my courage. They shaped my character. This made me strong. This is my 10th lesson. Family gives strength always. Love and support matter. Never forget your roots. I joined local teams. Training was very hard. My body felt small. Other kids played faster. Doctors noticed growth problems. Treatment helped my body. I faced long challenges. Sometimes I felt tired. Coaches guided my skills. I practiced every day. I learned new tricks. Patience became very important. I played in tournaments. Some games were lost. Mistakes taught me lessons. I tried again carefully. Teammates sometimes doubted me. I stayed focused always. Hard work showed results. Success came step by step. Parents always encouraged me. They cheered every goal. I felt supported daily. Their belief made me stronger. I admired famous players. Watched them on TV. Copied their moves slowly. Dreams grew bigger daily. Every challenge taught lessons. I learned to persevere. Growth was never easy. I kept moving forward. This is my 9th lesson. Challenges make you stronger. Never give up easily. Believe in your passion. In 2000, I joined Barcelona. La Masia became my home. Training was very intense. New friends joined my journey. I left Argentina young. Homesickness came sometimes. Parents wrote letters often. Their words gave courage. Coaches pushed my limits. I learned faster each day. Skills improved steadily. Patience was very important. I trained with great players. Watched their moves closely. Copied techniques carefully. I wanted to improve. Sometimes I felt tired. Matches were very hard. I focused on practice. Determination kept me going. Teammates became my family. We celebrated small victories. We shared joy and effort. I felt very lucky. I played in youth tournaments. Some games were lost. Mistakes taught valuable lessons. I tried again carefully. Every day brought growth. I learned from challenges. I stayed humble always. Dreams felt closer each day. This is my 8th lesson. Change can be scary. Stay brave and patient. Growth comes step by step. I joined Barcelona's senior team. Matches felt very different. Speed and strength surprised me. I had to adapt quickly. Coaches gave clear instructions. I trained hard daily. Mistakes happen sometimes. I learned from each one. Teammates taught me tactics. I observed their moves. Practiced new skills often. I tried to improve. Some games were challenging. Fans watched every play. Pressure felt very strong. I stayed calm always. Scoring my first goal brought joy and confidence. I celebrated with team. Hard work felt rewarded. Sometimes injuries slowed me. Rest and care helped. I returned stronger slowly. Patience was very important. I learned teamwork deeply. Passing, running, and listening. Support made success easier. I felt growing trust. Every match brought lessons. I reflected on mistakes. I trained even harder. Dreams felt closer each day. This is my 7th lesson. Hard work pays off. Learn from every challenge. Patience and effort matter. I earned more playing time. Matches felt exciting daily. Fans cheered every goal. I wanted to give more. I trained harder than ever. Speed, dribbling, and vision. Coaches noticed my skills. Confidence grew inside me. I played with great teammates. We shared passes and goals. Teamwork brought many wins. I learned to trust. Some games were very tough. Opponents challenged me often. Mistakes taught valuable lessons. I stayed focused always. I scored in important matches. Celebration brought joy and pride. I shared success with team. Hard work paid off. Sometimes I felt pressure. Expectations were very high. I calmed myself slowly. Focus and patience helped. I inspired younger players. They watched my every move. I encouraged them often. Passing knowledge felt rewarding. Every season brought growth. I improved day by day. Dreams felt closer always. I stayed humble despite fame. This is my 6th lesson. Dedication creates opportunities. Work hard. Stay focused. Teamwork strengthens success. I suffered my first injury. Pain made training hard. I rested and recovered. Sometimes it felt frustrating. Doctors guided my recovery. I followed advice carefully. Rehabilitation taught patience. I worked every day. I watched my teammates play. I felt eager to return. Motivation stayed inside me. I never lost hope. Training slowly became easier. I regained strength and skill. I ran on the field. Confidence returned step by step. Fans and coaches supported me. Their words encouraged deeply. I felt grateful daily. Their belief gave courage. I played cautiously at first. Avoiding mistakes was important. Gradually, I regained speed. I trusted my body. Every comeback taught lessons. I learned to stay strong. Focus became very important. I valued health more. Success felt sweeter after pain. I scored with joy. I celebrated carefully. Hard work had meaning. This is my 5th lesson. Adversity builds strength. Face challenges with patience. Never give up hope. I played in big finals. Fans cheered very loudly. Pressure felt intense. I stayed calm always. I trained extra hours. Every pass and shot counted. I focused on precision. Goals became clearer each day. My teammates worked closely. We planned strategies carefully. We encouraged each other. Trust grew in every match. I scored decisive goals. Celebration brought joy. Hard work was rewarded. Dreams felt closer each day. Winning trophies felt amazing. I thanked my mentors. Family support meant everything. I shared joy with fans. Some matches were tough. Opponents challenged every skill. Mistakes happened sometimes. I learned from them. I improved continuously. Training never stopped. Every game taught lessons. I stayed humble despite fame. Trophies inspired younger players. I encouraged them often. Sharing experiences felt rewarding. Teamwork made success stronger. This is my fourth lesson. Success requires effort. Work with focus always. Celebrate victories. Stay humble. I prepared for the 2022 World Cup. Training was intense every day. Pressure felt stronger than ever. I wanted to make history. I studied every opponent. Their strategies were tough. I focused on my skills. Teamwork became more important. Some matches were very close. Fans cheered for Argentina. I felt proud and nervous. Every goal counted deeply. I faced injuries carefully. Rest and recovery mattered. Doctors guided my steps. I trusted their advice. I scored important goals. Teammates celebrated together. Dreams felt very near. Hope stayed strong always. Some games were challenging. Opponents pressured every move. Mistakes happened sometimes. I learned and adapted. Every win taught lessons. I learned patience and courage. I supported younger players. Team spirit grew stronger. Finally, the final arrived. Tension filled the stadium. I focused on every pass. We played with heart. This is my third lesson. Courage overcomes fear. Believe in your team. Hard work creates history. I stepped onto the pitch. Fans cheered with excitement. The stadium felt alive. I focused on the game. I passed the ball carefully. Teammates moved in sync. Every action counted. We played with heart. I faced tough defenders. They tried to stop me. I stayed calm and sharp. I looked for openings. I scored a key goal. Teammates hugged me happily. We celebrated together. Dreams felt closer now. Some moments were tense. Opponents challenged every move. I adapted quickly. Focus remained in every play. I learned from pressure. Mistakes happened sometimes. I corrected them immediately. I gave my best always. The crowd cheered loudly. Energy filled the stadium. Teamwork brought success. We trusted each other. Final whistle blew finally. We had won together. Tears of joy flowed. History was made that day. This is my second lesson. Persistence leads to success. Work as a team. Cherish every achievement. I look back often. Life taught many lessons. Challenges shaped who I am. Growth came step by step. I met many people. They shared stories kindly. I listened carefully. Their wisdom guided me. I faced tough moments. Sometimes I felt weak. I found strength inside. I kept moving forward. I celebrated small victories. I shared joy with friends. Helping others felt rewarding. Happiness came through giving. I faced difficult choices. I listened to advice. I followed my heart. Decisions shaped my path. I traveled many places. I learned from cultures. I respected different opinions. Each experience helped me grow. I kept my dreams alive. I worked very hard. I stayed humble always. I inspired many people. I hope for the future. I share lessons learned. I want to guide others. I wish young courage. This is my first lesson. Believe in yourself always. Learn from every experience. Share your wisdom kindly. What was your favorite part? Which lesson from Messi inspires you most? How will you use his story in your life? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Challenges teach. Keep moving forward.